With its broad range of high-quality probes and accessories, the air velocity and IAQ measuring instrument Testo 440 is ideal for volume flow measurements at outlets and without annoying cable clutter. The 100mm vane with a telescope and 90-degree angle makes measurements at ceiling outlets possible without using a ladder. If needed, the telescope can be extended up to 2 meters. You see all the relevant parameters at a glance in the instrument. For exhaust air measurements at outlets, the Testo 440 with the 100mm vane probe and Testo vent funnel is recommended. In the special measurement for calculating volume flow, the correct funnel factor is automatically selected corresponding to the connected probe. This makes the measurement even easier. And with the combination of the 100mm vane, the funnel, and the flow straightener, you can obtain exact results even in turbulent flows. The automatically calculated total volume flow is stored in the instrument. If required, documentation on site is possible with the optional Bluetooth printer. In addition to this, measurement values can be transferred as a CFV file to a PC or laptop via the USB interface. Thanks to the intelligent calibration concept, only the probe head on the 100mm vane probe needs to be sent in for calibration. You can simply carry on using the instrument and the universal probe handle with another probe head. This lets you get more work done with less equipment.